Ivan, and today we're gonna be do some coding again and mine in EV3. Okay, so today we're gonna basically just be doing as normal, like some coding, but we're gonna actually not just do you're probably thinking we did follow the lines, right? So to follow the lines, we did that, but now let's have a new upgraded version. It's gonna be from grab and release, combined it with following the lines. Okay, you just might think, oh yeah, we just basically copy the grab and release code into the follow line or the opposite. So no, that's not working. We're gonna make that into a simple version of this. Okay, so today that's what we're gonna do. So first, let's get an event and get a one left button press. So you might get the sense because this is regular script from the follow the line code. So let me just quickly code it up. C start mode. So this is C star motor 50, and then sensors and 3 when code color goes black. So after the C star motor, we need to start adding the changes. So you might get the sense last time we did the when right button press the code, but you can just save your project as a copy and then do it on that base if you want, or if you want to just be coding everything again, you might just want to continue do the same. So we need an if else. You might already done this part. Okay, so then if 3 reflected intensity is less than 30, as I did before. So I explained this in the last follow the line episode, so I think you get why we put 30. So this 3 I think I forgot to mention. The 3 is what you chart. If you put 1, 2, 3, 4, it's whatever you chart in that for. So yeah. And then we're not gonna go and start moving first. We're gonna go to my blocks and make a check if is there obstacles in the way. I suppose this might be a bit too long, but you can do any name. So after you put this block in, we can put the start moving. Start moving at 0.25 speed. And then put another one after. You might just want to put 1, but I'm just gonna make some double checks here. And then duplicate that and then if it's greater than 30, and then just 25 0 for nothing else to change. Use the same check if there are obstacles in there. Okay, I think I wrote there wrong. So now we've done that. So the else is basically the same. There's 25, 25. Yep. So after we have done that, we're basically already starting to get in. So I might be coding a bit fast at start, but this check if there's obstacle. I'm gonna basically tell you what we're doing. I'm telling you this is if checks you should you have to. It's basically I told you the follow lines and grab and release combined, the 2 script. And so this is gonna be a bit similar, but a lot of changes too. So I'm gonna give you a start hint. So this is gonna be the checking script. It's you should have made the block. If you haven't, just go to and then just make the block. Just go to the coding area and just press build, and then make that small colorful block with 4 colors on it. So and then put it on as you see in lots of my videos, I put it a small road on side, but put your thing on the the white tape. I put some white tape around because at first that's like basically a testing platform. The other, like the black tape, is like all around, like small paths. Those are like sort of like other testing, like if the robot turns well on tight corners. So let's start tuning the check block. So put an if here. Remember, you don't need a forever because there's already a forever here. Okay, so an if here, and then if. So now go into sensors and get the if for distance less than 4 centimeters. Okay, the 4 is whatever you charge it for the line, over the wires, for the like the distance and keys. So that's, and then less than 4 cent, you can less than 3, but 3 is like, in like Minecraft, like I think 3 is the base limit, so there's no less than 3. So I think 4 is a better one. And if you choose 5, might be too far. Like just experiment a little. You can maybe do it a bit farther or something. But sometimes, like when you see like the robot, like it turns left and right, like it doesn't really match up. So don't just put on white tape anywhere. You have to. So just try. Like if it didn't make it, like grab it into the hoop, just try again. It might be your placing wrong, or later we might add like the turning for that, but I don't think we're adding that any sooner time. So then we put a set speed to 30. So a set speed to 30. Okay, this A motor is for like the hoop. So the hoop area, the hoop thingy. So you might do that to C. I mean not C, D or C, a D or A. So just change that like all, and the rest of the A's might be D or A too. And this is A. Now this is A run counterclockwise for 100 rotations. Not 100 run, 100 degrees actually. At first I did like before when I was code testing. So 100. This might be 100 rotation. I did this wrong, but just I hope you guys can get it right. So then move right 50. And then 1 rotation. So don't get it wrong. See, sometimes you just get it wrong, the wrong one. So you probably need this right. It's not the other one. You need like with the speed value. 1 rotation, -50 speed. And then 1 rotation basically means not 1 degree because it's not 1 and not 1 second. It would just rotate once, not twice. If it's twice, it's basically right 100. So you either want to do 2 rotations or 100, 1 rotation. So it's your choice. And then now put an A run clockwise 100 degrees. Do not do it to -100 because unless you're doing this counterclockwise -100 degrees. But I think clockwise is better to say with it. So now move left. Wait, let me get the grabs out. Move left. Oh, not this one. Move left -50. And then 1 rotation. And then -50 speed has 2. So it's going to rotate once. And then move forward 170. You might do not to 200 or like a value on what you do. But now we need just to move forward by 175 degrees. You might do 150 or vary on your, because sometimes when the robot turns, it doesn't like when it like turns around or continues. You don't know when you run the code and finish it. But when you just experiment, it would just not go on the line. It would just keep spinning around. So the change the code varies. And then stop the stack to stop it at the end. I don't think this is a must. Oh, not stop the stack. But I'll just put this in case. So after the script is done, we're basically done the main part. So now if you have you might see, like I'm gonna just quickly do this because you should have it. We said light intensity calibration. and then play B. Okay, this last time, remember we did this, so you should have it, or if you're not using same, just code it alone. 0.2. Okay, so I think, yeah, this is done, but you might ask why we don't have the up down thing. I deleted this because I didn't really find any use to them for now. You might need to still keep it, but you can, it's your choice. But it's your choice not to delete or because for me, I didn't actually find any uses for them. So when you test it, you should see the robot going forward and see the cube, and then just flip, just put the hoop down, the hoop sinky down, and then turn right, and then turn left, and then turn a few times, and then just continue going its regular follow path. So yeah, so I think we're gonna end it for now for today, and then I hope you like this video. Please smash the subscribe button and click the like button, and hope you like it, and then see you next time. Bye.